Prince Harry wife Meghan Markle arrested on drug charges in Nashville. Meghan Markle's husband Prince Harry has reportedly been arrested in connection with DUI and drug charges. According to reports, the 37-year-old was taken into custody last week on January the 26th in connection with driving under the influence, unlawful use of drug paraphernalia, and possession or casual exchange of a controlled substance. Authorities in Tennessee told a media outlet that Prince Harry passed on taking a blood alcohol content test, breaking the state's employed consent law. He was subsequently held on a $2,500 bond, released from custody later in the day. Police told Page 6 he would appear in court to answer to the charges on April the 30th. Prince Harry wed Meghan Markle in a marriage that was annulled less than 3 years later. Meghan Markle and Prince Harry knew one another from childhood. Queen makes it very clear Prince Harry's military honours have been stripped for good. Prince Harry is reportedly devastated after being told his honorary military titles have been stripped for good. According to commentator, the prince had hoped that his titles would be reinstated, but sources say the Queen has made it very clear that is not going to happen. The host of talk radio, Kevin O'Sullivan, claims that Queen Elizabeth II doesn't think Harry deserves his military titles while he is AWOL in California. The Duke of Sussex lost 3 official appointments when he and Meghan Markle made the decision to step down as senior royals last year, agreeing to step down from these titles as a part of his departure. The Duke has deep ties to the military community after serving in the army for 10 years, serving 2 tours of Afghanistan before leaving the armed forces in 2015 and continuing to serve ceremonial roles within the army. Harry was then named Captain General of the Royal Marines, Honorary Air Commandant of RAF Huntington, and Commodore-in-Chief, Small Ships and Diving, Royal Naval Command. A source from Finding Freedom, an authorized biography about the Duke and Duchess' time as senior royals, claim this loss has hit Harry the hardest, saying it was a tough pill to swallow. The source also reported that it had been painful for Meghan to see him go through. Royal correspondent Roya Nicker told the Royal Beat that she had thought it was unlikely he would retain his titles. Those of us that spoke to Buckingham Palace regularly have been briefed very clearly that it is not going to happen, she said. They are honorary titles and you need to be a member of the working royal family, and they've chosen their path. The Duke had planned to meet with the Queen on the anniversary of the 1-year exit from the royal family and negotiate the terms of Sandringham Summit, the official meeting in which the agreement was reached. However, it has been delayed due to the coronavirus. The Sussexes have lived in California since March 2020. Harry is expected to return to the UK this year for Queen Elizabeth's 95th birthday and the 100th birthday of Prince Philip, although Meghan may stay behind with Archie due to ongoing pandemic.